National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood watch for portions of southern Connecticut and southeast New York, including the following in southern Connecticut, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. In southeast New York, Suffolk, and Suffolk, through late tonight, additional heavy rain is likely overnight that could result in flash flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. New York has issued a flash flood warning for